This presentation is by myself, a doctoral student, Martin Mongiello at National University. I'm a member of the John F. Kennedy School of Psychology and Social Sciences crew and fixing to graduate in 2028. And this presentation will examine how artificial intelligence and robotics are reshaping hospitality environments such as hotels, resorts, museums, and immersive attractions. And rather than focusing only on efficiency or novelty, my work emphasizes psychological well-being, cultural authenticity, and ethical responsibility. So drawing from industrial and organizational psychology, the presentation will frame automation as a human-centered challenge. The American Revolutionary War Living History Center is introduced as a real-world case study where ethical AI integration is being explored with transparency, consent, and psychological safeguards. This is part of Dr. Pamela McDonald's class, which is size 7102, Scholarly Writing and Professional Communication in Psychology, and draws from the research of November 4th that I submitted and graded as an A grade to submit this on December 21st of 2025 as a presentation, which I have received that grade back, and it was also an A. Hospitality is fundamentally about trust, emotion, and human connection. So as AI systems increasingly interact with guests and employees, psychological responses such as comfort, anxiety, curiosity, and resistance become central concerns naturally. And this slide introduces why psychology must guide automation decisions. Research shows that technological change without psychological framing increases stress and disengagement. Therefore, understanding human experience is essential for responsible innovation. And I've got quite a few references on the bottom of this slide, which are all listed at the end of my presentation. Technological change in hospitality has accelerated rapidly. What began as self-service kiosks has evolved now into biometric access, service robots, AI personalization, and immersive mixed reality environments. So while these tools promise efficiency and personalization, they also introduce new psychological risks, including surveillance concerns and emotional displacement. This background establishes the context for why existing psychological theories struggle to keep pace. Employee experience is one of the most studied areas of AI adoption in hospitality. And research shows that automation can threaten job identity while also increasing creativity when employees feel supported. The stress often arises not from technology itself, but from uncertainty and lack of communication and obviously fear of replacement. So leadership framing and organizational culture play a critical moderating role. Hu and Fan in 2024 found that AI-related job stress negatively impacted engagement unless the organization provided clarity, training, and support. Their findings demonstrate that leadership behavior determines whether AI becomes a stressor or a motivator. This research underscores the importance of proactive psychological management in automated workplaces. And guests evaluate AI not only on performance, but on emotional safety and authenticity. So here we see Happy delivering some towels to a room, and the husband has opened the door for the towel delivery. So what a great name to have for a robot on wheels, Happy. Somebody get Happy up here. Hospitality experiences rely on perceived warmth and trust, and over automation can create discomfort or a sense of artificiality. Cultural storytelling and ethical design help mitigate these effects, ensuring technology enhances rather than replaces human meaning. And given a choice here, would you rather have Happy on wheels show up with a funny little smile, or would you like to have a 9-foot tall, overbearing bipedal robot that walks erect and speaks like this, your towels, approach you and show up at your door? I think the answer is obvious worldwide. Owakwas and Quadri in 2025 demonstrated that AI systems can reduce perceived autonomy and can weaken ethical behavior. This finding is especially relevant in immersive hospitality environments where persuasion and emotional engagement are intensified, and ethical boundaries must therefore be intentionally designed into AI-driven guest experiences. Leadership determines whether the human-robot collaboration succeeds. So, rapport leadership emphasizes empathy, transparency, and shared purpose. And leaders who frame AI as augmentation rather than replacement foster trust and psychological safety. Organizational culture must align technology with human values. The American Revolutionary War Living History Center provides a controlled ethical setting to study sustained human-robot interaction. Informed consent, transparency, and continuous assessment are core design principles. Unlike the problems shown in the television series of Westworld, this case demonstrates how immersive technology can be explored responsibly without sacrificing psychological safety. Ethical integration of AI requires informed consent. So emotional safeguards and ongoing evaluation are important, and research emphasizes that ethics must be built into the system design rather than treated as an afterthought. An interdisciplinary oversight is essential. Industrial and organizational psychology must evolve to account for non-human coworkers. Job analysis, leadership models, and organizational design frameworks require expansion to address AI collaboration. This represents a major frontier for applied psychology. And here you have a primary tenet of my study and work is where the robot of a friend is actually invited into a therapy session. And this obviously already today in December of 2025 when this presentation was made conforms to the APA Code of Conduct, which outlines all of the requirements for recording and sentient beings that are transmitting recordings from inside their computer body to a database up in the cloud, and all of that stuff is already addressed in the APA Code of Conduct. In summary, AI reshapes employee psychology, guest experiences, and leadership responsibilities. Ethical outcomes depend on transparency, culture, and psychological insight. Technology alone does not determine success, people do. So here we can see actually a great use for a bipedal robot in the pouring rain or snow. Nobody wants to be standing out there for 5 hours in the pouring rain, or when the boss says, hey, it's going to have to be 8 to 10 hours today. This rainstorm is just nonstop, and we've got traffic backed up. We were just at the Crystal City Marriott Gateway. Traffic was backed up under that awning where you could pull under cover. It was backed up all the way out onto the street with Ubers and SUVs, and people were just waiting and waiting and waiting, and the freezing, and it even snowed. So you can see a great use here. This robot is actually talking, saying, welcome. I don't mind the pouring rain. I'm here for you. Just a minute. And we'll have the carport and check-in clear for you. The future of hospitality lies in human-centered automation, and AI should augment creativity, connection, and meaning. Psychology provides the roadmap for ensuring innovation remains ethical, inclusive, and sustainable. And you can see a lot of that occurring here in this hotel lobby. There's robots that are delivering coffee, drinks, toast, snacks. There's a hologram robot over to the left of a lady. And yeah, there's a lot of good stuff going on in this library. I'm Marty Mongiello. These are the last couple of slides which contain my APA 7 formatted references supporting this presentation, and many of which are drawn from peer-reviewed journals and scholarly sources. Uh, the quite the quite the few. And thank you so much. I look forward to speaking with you.